Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rocket League freezing. So super easy fix, it will take you less than a minute. First of all, you need to locate your Epic Games Launcher shortcut, or here you can just write Epic Games Launcher and then right click on it, go to open file location, and once you're here, then right click again, go to properties, and then you need to go to compatibility and make sure to select this option, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, and also make sure that this option is enabled, run this program as administrator, and disable full screen optimizations also is on. And then you need to go and do the same with your game. Just go to your disk where you basically install the game. For me, it's local disk C, program files, Epic Games, then Rocket League, and then binaries, Win64, and then you need to scroll down until you see Rocket League application here. Right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, run this program compatibility mode 4, Windows 7, and then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Press apply, okay, and it should fix freezing problems here. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.